This is Pixelam, and we have developed a product in the tourism category which will boost tourism in Africa using AI and visuals. And this will all be done in local languages. We have used few Nigerian local languages, and this is how the product will be. It is a mobile as well as web app which will bridge the gap in tourism in local languages. We will also be using image generation from text in local languages. So this is the login page. So once we are on the dashboard, as you can see, there is an interface and we have image language selection and we have a few different African languages here. So once I go to Yoruba, which is a popular Nigerian language, I will type in lang and this will be my prompt and this will give me a few phrases in English language. As you can see, it has given a few common words in the English language. Next, we will find the travel journal option and this will give us further information on our tourism. I am asking it to give me a few places in Nigeria which I can visit. As we can see, it has generated 5 places to visit in Nigeria and this will help us in making our travel plans much easier. Now the next feature that we have is the map. This is the map that is generated based on my current location and it gives me an overview of all the locations that I can visit. Once I click on anything, it will give me what that location is. This is a shopping mall. This is a lounge which is close to my location. This is another location. So as we can see, this will help us to make our travel plans much easier. The image generation function will take a prompt in the native language and generate an image based on that prompt. This is the image of a normal family which I had generated using the prompt in the Twi language. Next, we will go to the medical section. As you can see, I have asked the LLM to guide me to prevent an injury or to remedy it quickly. It also provides you with the details of available medical services around you. Next, we will look at the AI upscaler that we have implemented. If you go to pick an answer, this is the input image given to it, and it has upscaled it by quite significantly, and this is the output image produced. Similarly, this is an image of a monument which was given to it, and it has produced a significant result by upscaling it. Next, we will look at the captioning function, and this will be done by using a URL on the web. This is a renowned monument in Nigeria. Now I will copy the URL and paste it here. This is the output obtained and it gives both English and native language support for the captioning. Next, we will look at the medical assistance function. Here, we'll type at medical and then I will ask it to give me a treatment for the image that I'm choosing. I will choose the image and I will open it and send it. As you can see, it has generated a response and it is giving you primary healthcare tips on how to prevent or save yourself from further complication. Next, we will look at the gallery function. This this will hold all the images that you have uploaded over time and will generate a collage pic. This is usually helpful when tourists are taking multiple pictures and sending it to the application. On updating the gallery and on refresh of the website, a new collage will be generated dynamically every time you log in.
The next feature that we will see is the AR feature. This is a standout feature as it will help the tourists to interact with the local artifacts, especially those seen in a museum. As we can see, it gives an immersive 3D view, also supplying some key information to understand the context. This will help tourists to understand the cultural and historical importance of a certain artifact in a museum. This enriches the tourist's experience and makes it memorable.